Hey guys, welcome back my YouTube channel Albedo Concrete aka Benten. Today because I want to show you guys about the cookies Hari Raya. About this one This one only sample, but I want to show you guys this one. This one is the cookies block. I want to show you guys. Yeah. Oh, hi guys. Okay, welcome back my YouTube channel. Okay, guys. Okay, because today I have something I want to talk to you guys about. This one is the Cookies Raya in Malaysia. Yeah, sorry guys, because this one is the Cookies Raya. I have a lucky day. I have this one is my boss from the shelter workshop give to me. This one this one because this one is the Cookies Raya in Malaysia because I have get some free. This one my boss, my manager give this one. But she is not Malay lah. But sometimes they going to the Cookies Raya because sometimes they have want to spend to buy Cookies Raya about all the stuff shelter workshop. Then they give to me and also and the other stuff. Yeah, this one lah. This one is the cookies. I just want to share because I don't know what is the flavor lah. This is the first time I have a cookies. Sorry guys, because it's like a Chinese cookies. Because this one is the Raya cookies for this season. Because this one is my boss, they give to me. Because I'm so lucky because so many stuff. I am the special child. Yeah, because I'm the special child. I'm the guy I want to share you guys about this cookies Raya this year. It's a 2025 Hari Raya. Because the season is the Puasa. Yeah, they Malay not eat. Oh sorry guys, because I'm Christian. Because I have friend. I have a Malay friend, Islam friend, Muslim friend. Yeah, because sometimes I have this one is this one I have more again. This one is peanut cookies. This one is what is that? Oh masters cookies. I don't know how to spell this one. This one also same lah. Just now, this one different. So this one different. This one I don't know what's flavor because this one is no name. I don't know what is this. So I have more again about this one is brown rice puff. I have brown rice puff also. This one is the brown rice puff. And then also I have this one also same lah because this one is the peanut cookies and what and stuff. I don't know lah how to spell. This one lah. This one have three lah. I have three. Three. Stuff. Cookies. Yeah. I have three. And I have peanuts. Three cookies. Cookies Raya. This one. This one is this is all this is my special tropical cookies. Yeah. This one is my favorite also lah. So I want to tell you guys this one is the Raya cookies for this month because it's the Ramadan. It's the season of the Ramadan. This one not I buy. This one is my boss. My boss give to me because they have my boss have a neighborhood at the house is her house. Yeah, so this one is all the cookies. I just want to talk to you guys about this because today this one is the cookies Raya from my boss and also my neighbor boss. My neighbor boss is a Malay lah, something like that lah. So they because sometimes because I lucky day because I have the cookies because this one is the Hari Raya. Sometimes Chinese but this one is the cookies they have a Hari Raya something like that lah. Because Hari Raya I think end of the March lah, something like that lah. So this one I just want to share you guys about I have so today is my lucky day. I have cookies. That's why sometimes I have the cookies the cookie Raya because this one is my lucky day. I have the cookie Raya that time that time is because what it is the early of the season of the Ramadan puasa. So many people Malay they are was calling a puasa because I'm not Malay lah, because I'm Christian Malaysia, because I am from Malaysia but I Christian. Sometimes I have Muslim friend, but sometimes I just love to become differently, like over kind of the like a Malay, Chinese, Indian or something like that kind of Malaysia. So this one is a teen. I have more. So what? This one is my one cookies. Yeah. What? This one lah. I have this one is all the cookies, and also this one for raspa. So, good. Okay. So this one all my review blog about the cookies raya. Because I'm from Malaysia, but I want to show you because today is my lucky day in yesterday. This one yesterday they give me. Okay, that's all I can tell. Oh. Hey guys, okay lah, that's all lah. I can show you guys about this one is my review also lah about the cookies of the season of the Ramadan lah, because season of the Ramadan is now it's time is the season of the Ramadan. So because it's lucky day, because I have free cookies from my manager, for my boss in work at the shutter workshop. That's why I want to you guys. I want to show you guys this one. This one is this one is the cookies from my boss friend at the neighbor's house. Give to me lah, and the boss of the friend of the neighbor's house. Yeah, this one lah. This one is my cookies. This one this one I have lucky day lah, and also this one lah. Okay lah guys. So whatever. This one cookies. I want to make something Raya season. What the Ramadan season? To want to eating lah. This one only lah. Okay lah guys. That's all lah. I can tell you guys about this one lah. Okay. Okay guys, whatever, if you guys the new people see this video, okay, if you like this video, like my YouTube channel, you don't forget press the subscribe, press the bell button, and press the like button, and share to your friend like anime also lah. Okay lah guys, because today later I want to continue my TikTok live, because I want to make something else about my comic book. So whatever guys, this one I can tell because maybe in the Hari Raya public holiday I can make some review live lah, but TikTok or something, YouTube or something like that lah. Okay lah, see you soon guys lah. Maybe next time we can meet again lah. This one is the Raya biscuit. I show you to want this review blog. Okay, see you soon guys, and next time we can meet again, and take care. Okay, bye.